So we have got limit superior integral fn less than or equal to integral f less than or equal to limit inferior integral fn ഇതാണ് നമുക്ക് ഇപ്പോൾ കിട്ടിയത്. But we know that limit inferior fn will be less than or equal to limit superior integral fn. Now this both must hold simultaneously. So both will hold simultaneously only if all are equal. So limit എല്ലാം രണ്ട് ഇക്വേഷൻസും ഹോൾഡ് ചെയ്യണമെങ്കിൽ so you must have limit inferior integral fn that must be equal to integral f equal to limit superior integral fn. Now if both limit inferior and superior are equal, that will be limit integral fn. So therefore we will get integral f equal to limit integral f. So that completes the proof of the bounded convergence, monotone convergence theorem.